Hey y'all, just wanted to show y'all somewhat finished the drill press that I started on. This is just an update. See, last time I left, I didn't have none of this on, or this. It was just this, the base, and the feet there. So today I got this on, the nut on. I just finished tacking this on. And I put this on, welded that on, flattened it out. And it's not perfect by all means, but it works. This is my first one ever done, so I'm just trying it out, see how it goes. I'll make another one better looking later. For now, it's just something quick so I can get some other projects done, and then I'll come back to this and make an even better one. But yeah, it works. It took some, I was getting a little frustrated, but I got it on there. It works. Oil it up a little bit. Yeah, so there we go. Drill press almost complete. Got it all tacked up. So I'm gonna go back and do some better welds all the way around it. Just tack on just to try it. If I need to adjust anything, I'll go back around and tack it up. I mean, put some better welds on there. Not much, just probably inch welds all the way around. Don't need to be too strong. It's just a drill press. Vise. Don't need to be too strong. So I'll probably do some inch welds around here. No, I'll probably do the ends. Inch weld there. Inch, 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 inch. Finish this. And then flat disc it all the way around and make it look good. I'm not going to paint it. I like the industrial look, so I'll probably leave it like this. Probably go around with it with a wire wheel or something. Clean it up, make it more shiny. I thought about drilling a hole in here and putting a little extension around here for extra torque, but I don't need it. I think what I may do, oh no, it's too late for me to do that now. But I might cut this off, put another one of these on here, right there, and that'd be good for my whole hand. We'll see though. Another quick little update. Got drill press going. Drill press Vise going. There it is. My project for the weekend. Done. Let me get my butt in here and go eat. I gotta go to work tonight. Back to work. Alright, y'all have a great, awesome rest of the Sunday and have a great, awesome weekend. Peace out.